So check it out. Still going some of my recent new purchases, and one of them was this 1656 Lionel switcher. It also comes with the, let me see, 6403B tender. I'm reading it because it did come with the original box for the tender. And I had to clean up the roller pickup and the wheels and axles on the tender and got the bell working. You can hardly hear it over the fast track, but when it's in neutral, you can hear it pretty good. And also the engine I replaced, it was missing the headlight lens, so I put a new one in. I ordered some new red marker lights because there's one missing on the other side. But I thought we'd take it for a spin. You can check it out. I also have another new purchase that's kind of a twin spin. So we'll start with the little switcher here with its bell. This little switcher runs really good though, and it's also a good puller. I had it pulling the train I have on my outside track, and it didn't have any problem with it. The tender is metal too, and it's heavy. I wanted one of these. I thought the bell would ding a lot faster than what it does. I figured it'd be really obnoxious, but it's really not. And we'll pick the camera up this time around. See the little trailing light in the tender. Kind of move the camera back down here where it was. That's really kind of neat. I'm glad I've got one. I've been wanting one just to hear what the bell would sound like. But the other thing I have, and I just push this train back here a little bit first, is I already showed my Berk that I got from him. But what I didn't realize was he had the original tender too, which he sold me the last trip that I went there. It's really a nice whistle tender. I really like the looks of it. I think it's 2426. Is the tender on it, so I got the whistle working really good, so I thought we'd show you that too. This is such a really great looking and running engine by Lionel, just an old classic. So here we go. Got the smoke unit working really good too. This one's a 726. It doesn't have magnet traction, but as heavy as it is, doesn't need it. All right. Smoking good, running good. That's really a nice tender by Lionel. They really decked it out nicely. I like the handrails and everything they put on it. So thanks again for watching. There's a lot more to come. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.